Hello and welcome to Managing Your Students in Handshake. We're going to go ahead and get started diving into the student profile in Handshake. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you've already created a student account and linked it to your Career Services account. You can easily check this by selecting your name in the upper right hand corner. If you see the option to switch to a student account, then you know that you've got that set up correctly and you're ready to go. If you don't have this option, refer back to the basics training video where you can learn how to create a student account and link it to your career services. So first, we're going to get started looking at our school settings that pertain to students in Handshake. So we're actually going to slide right up this little menu here and select school settings. So the next thing we're going to get talking about is majors and major groups. So the goal here is for you to understand what major groups are and understand how they relate to majors in Handshake. We use major groups because employers can post to multiple schools. So when an employer is selecting majors as a qualifications for a position, it quickly becomes impractical for them to choose individual majors from lots of different colleges and universities. So instead, Handshake has created a general list of major groups, which you can actually see if you scroll down to major groups. These are broad categories that all of our employers can use to select what types of majors they prefer for a given position. An important task for your career services team during the implementation process is to map your specific school majors to this list. In other words, you'll need to link your individual majors to these major groups or group. You can do multiple groups if you wish. So you want to link your individual majors to these major groups that they fit with best. That way, when employers select a major group as a qualification for a job, students with majors that are linked to that group will qualify. So let's look at an example. If you slide down to just below major groups, you can see majors. And these are all the majors that are specific to your school. So for example, majors at Miller University, as you can see, we have accounting. Now under major groups, accounting might correspond to a few different major groups. The accounting major group is obviously a very obvious one, so you can select it here and then select Edit Majors. You can then select your specific accounting major and any others that might pertain to accounting and save it. So we've successfully mapped our accounting major at Miller University over to the accounting major group. Now, if an employer selects this accounting major group for one of their qualifications on a job posting, all accounting students will show as qualified. You can add majors to the major groups by clicking on individual groups like this, or you can go another way and add majors to different major groups. You can also map majors to major groups in a one-time file upload, so definitely be sure to check our support site for directions on how to do so.